bolt is to the full tighten, make sure that you have already put all bolt so that you can tighten all bolt. So not just put one bolt then you tighten it full. It will make you a little bit complicated on putting the other bolt, because you must make sure that all bolts are in a ruse so that you can fix them easily. So tighten them like this. Just a little bit. And then watch it. Watch it. So when you look over here, we already put the cylinder head gasket and the cylinder head itself, and we already little bit tightened the bolt that I used to fix the cylinder head, and we already put the push rod. So the next sessions we'll have a look upon how do we put the locker cover and do valve clearance. Thank you very much for watching.